Hi, welcome to Mooney English. Additive, additive, spiral, spiral, floor plan, floor plan, loft, loft, patio, patio, assemble, assemble. Airbnb offers stays at Canada's first 3D printed home. With Airbnb, you can stay in caves, tree houses, or castles. Now the company has another unique building available. Its first 3D printed concrete tiny home, which is also the first 3D printed house in Canada. Called the Fibonacci House, it was built by the Dutch company 20 Additive Manufacturing, TAM, which designs and builds machines for 3D printing with concrete. The building's name comes from its spiral-shaped floor plan, which was inspired by the famous Fibonacci sequence, a mathematical formula that has been called nature's secret code. This is because it matches some shapes found in nature, like the spiral shapes of certain plants and seashells. The shape was chosen for the house to show that 3D printing makes it possible to build complicated and unusual designs. The company also thought it was a good way to make the building feel more a part of nature in Proctor, British Columbia, where it was built. Guests at the 35 square meter house will find a bathroom at the center of its spiral, which opens out into a small kitchen and living area, with 2 beds in a loft above. Outside is a covered patio complete with a barbecue and dining area. It took just 11 days and 6.5 cubic meters of concrete to print the house in 20 separate pieces, which were then transported to the building site and assembled. A few parts of the house, like its window frames, were made out of wood from the local area. There are many benefits to 3D printed buildings. They can be built faster for less money, and they use less material. The same design can also be printed again and again, with a lower chance of making mistakes. Stays at the Fibonacci house start at $133 a night. Money from the rentals will go to World Housing, a charity that builds houses for the homeless people. The charity next hopes to work with TAM to build Canada's first 3D printed affordable housing community.